Hi, welcome to the brand new section of the course, Mapping Your Network. In this section, we will cover topics such as detecting systems on your network with NMAP, detecting systems using ARP scan, scanning TCP ports, scanning UDP ports, identifying services, identifying operating systems. So let's begin with the first video titled, Detecting Systems on Your Network with NMAP. In this video, first we will run sudo apt-get install NMAP or sudo yum install NMAP, and then do a simple ICMP sweep of the networks to see who responds. If you have heard of NMAP before, it was likely as a hacker tool. These days it is most commonly used as a port scanner, but it actually started its life as a network mapping tool for discovering hosts. In fact, NMAP stands for Network Mapper. It can utilize ICMP, UDP, and TCP. Let us look at how to utilize it to discover what systems exist on your network. Now let's see how to do it. First, we need to make sure that we have NMAP installed. Luckily, it is a common enough tool to be available in the package repository for your selected distribution, and it will be accessible either by running sudo apt-get install NMAP. Next, we will do a simple ICMP sweep of the network to see who responds. Overall, it is a bit boring, since all our network contains is our router and the single client system. Things get a bit interesting when we scan a larger network. Nice. Now let's see how it works. NMAP allows you to scan IP addresses by specifying an IP address, a CIDR block, or a range. You can even specify multiples of each on the command line in order to increase the number of targets you scan. The S argument allows you to specify the scan type. We are using SP, which tells NMAP to do a ping scan. Also supported are SYN scans, TCP connection scans, UDP scans, and so on. During a ping scan of a remote network, NMAP sends an ICMP echo requests to all the target hosts, listening for ICMP echo responses from the target. For each host that responds from within the specific ranges, the latency is provided. If you are scanning a local network, then the ICMP echo requests are replaced by ARP requests. This has the benefit of being able to find systems that are configured to ignore ICMP packets. If you are running a local scan as the root user, then you will get the MAC address of the responding systems in the scan results as well, as seen earlier. The vendor identification works as a function of the MAC address. The first half of a given MAC address is a unique vendor identifier assigned by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEEE. The mapping of MAC address prefix to vendor is made available online for free by the organization, and various tools may be found online for looking up the manufacturer of a given MAC. Great! In this video, we detected systems on your network with NMAP.